Hello everyone, welcome. This is another lecture, vocabulary sound for the story. Okay, I will tell you one by one all the words. Okay, this is gonna be very useful for you. Please try to listen more than 5 times to this sound because it is really important. Okay, everyone, let's get started by this pipkin. A long time ago, when aeroplanes were not very big or strong yet, okay, لم رستيا yet man here yet واتا هشتا yet لم حالته واتا هشتا بونمونا is it here yet آیا أما هشتا ليريا is it here yet okay are we safe yet آیا هشتا سلامتين are we safe yet I don't know yet. هشتا نازانم. I don't know yet. هشتا نازانم. I can't tell yet. هشتا ناتوانم بيلم. I cannot tell yet. Okay. I am not sure yet. هشتا دڵنیا I am not sure yet. هشتا من دڵنیا No one knows yet. هشتا هیچ کەسێک نایزانێت. No one knows yet. No one knows yet. هشتا هیچ کەسێک نایزانێت. Please repeat after me. No one knows yet. Okay. Nesrin is not up yet. هشتا نسرین هەڵنەستاوە. Nesrin is not up yet. Okay, another example. You cannot go yet. هشتا ناتوانی بڕۆی. You cannot go yet. You cannot go yet. Another example. Don't go home yet. هشتا مەڕۆرەوە ماڵەوە. Don't go home yet. Okay, the last example. He is not here yet. هشتا ئەو لێرە نییە. He is not here yet. He isn't here yet. هشتا ئەو کوڕەکە لێرە نییە. Okay, let's continue. All passengers had to be weighed with their luggage. لەمەیانە passengers مان هەیە. Passenger. بزانین passenger واتە چی؟ واتە گەشتیار واتە نەفەر بۆ نمونە I was a passenger من گەشتیارێک بووم I was a passenger okay we were passengers ئێمە گەشتیار بووین ئێمە نەفەر بووین گەشتیار بووین Are all passengers on board ئایا هەموو گەشتیارەکان چۆنەڵێ لەناو سەیارەکەن یان لەناو تەیارەکەن یان لەناو قیتارەکەن Are all passengers on board ئایا هەموو گەشتیارەکان لەناو سیارەکەن یان حازرن لەناو تیارەکەن مەبەستیەوەی پێشەوەی بڕۆن Okay, very good. Another example. The train was full of passengers. قیتارەکە شەمەندەفەرەکە پڕ بوو لە نەفەر پڕ بوو لە گەشتیار The train was full of passengers. The train was full of passengers. The taxi picked up two passengers. تەکسیەکە دوو گەشتیاری هەڵگرت دوو نەفەری هەڵگرت The taxi picked up two passengers. The taxi picked up two passengers. The last example. Fortunately, no passengers were injured. خۆشبەختانە هیچ گەشتیارێک ئازاری پێ نەگەیشت یانیش بریندار نەبوو. No passengers were injured. Fortunately, خۆشبەختانە no passengers were injured. Fortunately, no passengers were injured. Please repeat after me. تکایە لە دوای من دووبارەی کەرەوە. Fortunately, no passengers were injured. Fortunately, no passengers were injured. Very good. Okay, let's go. So that planes did not have to carry more than it was safe to carry. Carry واتە هەڵگرتن واتە هەڵگرتن هەڵگرتنی شتێک carry Okay, let's go to the examples. Carry this please تکایە ئەمە هەڵگرە Carry this please Carry this please تکایە ئەمە هەڵگرە I will carry it من هەڵیەگرم I will carry it I will carry it Okay, another example. Let me carry it. ڕێگەم بدە با من هەڵیگرم Let me carry it. Let me carry it. Let me carry it. I can carry that. Don't worry. نیگەران مەبە. من ئەتوانم هەڵی بگرم. ئەوە هەڵبگرم. I can carry that. Again, I can carry that. I can carry that. Another example. Let my child carry it. ڕێگە بدە منداڵەکەم ئەوە هەڵگرێ. Let my son carry it. ڕێگە بدە کوڕەکەم ئەوە هەڵبگرێ. Let my son carry it. Please repeat after me. Let my son carry it. Let my son carry it. Okay, another example. Carry this for me, please. تکایە ئەمە بۆ من هەڵگرە. Carry this for me. Carry this for me. Carry this for me. What are you carrying? ئەوە تۆ چیت هەڵگرتووە؟ What are you carrying? What are you carrying? ئەوە تۆ خەریکی چی هەڵەگری؟ I can't carry 25 kilos. من ناتوانم 25 کیلۆ هەڵبگرم. I can't carry 25 kilos. Okay, very good. Now let's go to other page and let me explain another word. Then later, when airplanes became bigger and stronger, only the luggage had to be weighed. Here we have two words, became, become, weighed, weigh. Okay, دووشەمان هەیە لێرە. یەکەمیان باسی become-ەکەین. become یعنی ببە بەو شتە. بۆ منە I become rich. من دەوڵەمەند دەبم. I became rich 5 years ago. 5 ساڵ لەمەوە پێش من دەوڵەمەند بووم. I became ڕابردووە became. He became rich 10 years ago. I remember من بەبیرمە ئەو 10 ساڵ پێش ئێستا دەوڵەمەند بوو. He became rich 10 years ago. I remember. I became angry yesterday. دوێنێ من تووڕە بووم. I became angry yesterday. دوێنێ من تووڕە بووم. Okay. Another example. He became famous. He became famous. ئەو بەناوبانگ بوو. He became famous. He became famous. He became famous. She became happy. کچەکە دڵخۆش بوو. She became happy. She became happy. دڵخۆش بوو. ئەگەر بڵێ ئەو دڵخۆش دەبێت she becomes happy. She becomes happy. Okay, very good. Another example. I became very ill yesterday morning. دوێنێ بەیانی زۆر نەخۆش بووم. I became very ill yesterday morning. I became very ill yesterday morning.